2023. This is 20-year gentleman came with the painless swelling in the right inguinal scrotum region, which goes and comes in the movements. So on examination, it was suggestive of the right-sided, uncomplicated, indirect inguinal hernia. Now we are going to do the surface anatomy. So this is the midline. This is the iliac crest, SIS, and this is the pubic symphysis, and this is the pubic tubercle. So the midpoint of this region is mid-inguinal point, MIP, and midpoint of this to this, like this. This is the MPIL, midpoint of inguinal ligament. So midpoint of inguinal region and MIP, midpoint of inguinal ligament is the MPIL. So we are going to proceed with the incision. It's a cocktail of local anesthesia containing the noradrenaline and the lignocaine, and also the aniline heavy, and diluted with the distilled water. I have made it in the ratio of 1:2. Now I will just give it the inguinal block. Inguinal block has to be given from this region, the MIP. From here, the nerves are entering. Remember to use the smaller needle, the hypodermic. It will cause a lesser pain to the patient. So patient is not in the GA, not in the spinal. We are going for the regional anesthesia. Only one prick and you will be fine. Just one more. अब नहीं होगा. Pause करो. I am going to give the local anesthesia in the line of the incision. You can see. I have to just check it by the aspiration, whether am I not in the vessel or something. For the teaching purposes, marker is very good. For the beginners, my professor used to use the marker always. It gives an idea to us, to juniors, how to do the surface marking and everything. So this is very important. This is a field block. Do not try it in the large hernia or the obstructed one, because if you try local anesthesia in that case, then it will be very cumbersome for the patient and for the surgeons too. I will just check it out with a toothbrush, please. Mask. So I can see there is no pain.
सर दर्द होगा
थोड़ा ही होगा, पता चलेगा, दर्द नहीं होगा.
अबे रो
I have a separate video on the basic instrumentation of the hernia. It has been uploaded in the YouTube. It was in the GTB hospital. So I will share the link in this video. बोरिंग लगती है.
यस
है ना?
यस सर. सर नीचे थोड़ी बहुत हाइड्रो थी, आपने बोली ठीक कर देना साहब.
So, a very pet question from my professors in the college was the three structures, 3 artery, 3 vein and 3 nerve in that region. I will use the cautery to demonstrate the oozing blood. You see here. Very good. It will take lesser time, lesser social materials, and hope lesser complications with the cautery. थोड़ी देर कम कर देना cautery.
आई दी अरे
बस बस,
सब दर्द हो गया बहुत।
पता चलेगा, दर्द नहीं होगा। दर्द और महसूस में अंतर होता है।
यस सर।
महसूस होगा। मैं बेहोश नहीं किया मैंने, और ना पीठ में सुई लगाई है ना।
नो सर।
तो ये चीज़ अपने आप में एक अलग है। ऑपरेशन के बाद तुम अपने आप से चलोगे फिरोगे।
सर
This has to be cut by the season, not by the pottery.
सर
बस बस।
कुछ तो क्या
टेबल अप कर।